Okay, real quick, this is a chiller for the MRI machine out here in Delray Beach. Right now, we just got through putting the compressor in place. The actual liquid line dryer, of course. Compressor was shorted to ground. After putting the compressor in, we also did verify. We also confirmed that the condenser fan motor was non-operational, so we got that condenser fan motor ordered and installed. I did a quick sanitizing of the evaporator coil, a light one, not so heavy, not too aggressive. As of right now, we are set. If I'm correct, I did set it for 50. We were at 73. We're now at 52. It was at 73 at the initial start, based on the water temperature. I have it set for 50. We are reading an active temperature of 52 right now. Our pressures, as the water temperature continues to decrease, of course, our pressures will decrease as well. So we're close to like a 50, 55, like a 60 to 60 psi, and a 220, 225 around there on a discharge. I mean liquid line. Yeah, this is liquid line pressure right now. But anyways, site class is clear for the moment, and we did get an amp draw on the actual pump itself. As you can see, there is no leaks on the pump. It's slightly a little bit higher than what it's supposed to be. Actually, this is 460. Oh, no, it was 3.8, so we actually cleared. It's a 4.25, so we're fine. I was reading the information on the data plate over there, but over here on the motor, we're within range. The actual compressor amp draw is perfect. This device over here is truly just not working. So as of right now, our chiller is operating, and we are at 50, and I just want to make sure it reaches its set point. I actually, since they took the cold head off downstairs, I actually just connected the return side to the supply side for the inlet as a loop on the spindle that indicates water flow, so that we can actually run this test here so that I can do this startup. Anyways, MRI chiller service repair out here at Delray Beach. AC powered.